Here in Puerto Rico, I'm the incident commander for Arecibo region, assisting the local utility PREPA and the investor-owned utilities in the restoration efforts. One thing that I stress to everybody is the people of Puerto Rico are American citizens. These are our countrymen, and they're in a dire time of need. And anything that we can possibly do to assist them is what we're bringing to bear. The terrain here is unlike anything I've seen in my nearly 30-year career. As far as the damage, again, in my career, I've never seen anything on the scope or complexity of the damage that I've seen here. This is a mutual aid effort, and this is one of the things that utilities do very well, is that when we have needs, everybody comes together to restore power. And having as many assets here as we possibly can get to, first of all, safely execute the restoration efforts is incredibly important.